ago, Pascal, Galvina, this is Galvina, that's Pascal. So 3 years ago they came to South Africa, they're all the way from Germany. So they came from South Africa, so they're here for 3 weeks with me. They just come to look at some of our programs. Heinspark, because Heinspark is my heart, you know, our children is my heartbeat. So that is why we brought them here, just to look at our program and especially to look at Kevin's work. So our main objective is, please guys, we want you guys to get off the streets. I didn't even know that there was a program that helped children with reading and writing, you know. And our main objective is you don't drop out of school. And school is very important, guys. School is very important. If you don't attend school, you know, man, it's a struggle outside there to get a job. Okay, it's a struggle outside there. So, Kevin, thank you very much for Kevin's one of my sons. So, yeah, he's a son of mine. I've been nurturing him for some time. You make me cross, I shouted him. Yeah, so he is really doing something in our community. So please guys, please join him. You have a lot of gifts, you guys have gifts, you know, that you guys can give us, okay? And that is our friend, that is my gebed. My gebed is dat ons verander in die gemeenskap. Ons verander nie keer vloek en skel en drugs en die nie. Ons verander om aan programme te werk en aan programme te kom. So, hulle sal weer terugkom, weer na Kevin toe, en ons sal weer vir Kevin kyk, you know, maar het gaan ons aan Kevin toe. As God has shown us